this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parna's Creation. Hope all of you are doing great. Today I am going to show you 4 different greeting cards. These are super easy handmade greeting cards to gift your nearer and dearer one. So these are the cards I am going to show you today. So let's get started. For our first greeting card, we need A4 size paper, some foam sheet, some pearls and a scissor. For our first card, we will make little cracker. Now I have created a triangle shape. Height is approximately 8 cm. Now I will cut some piece of foam sheet to attach in my triangle. Now I will attach the 3 foam sheet one by one on a triangle so it looks like a cracker. Now cut the excess foam sheet to look like a perfect cracker. Now attach the little cracker on the page by using glue. You can use any other color to make little cracker, but I have used these 3 colors. Now I have attached 3 5mm quilling strip to make the swirls. Now I will roll one by one the strips so it look like a swirls. Like this. You can take any other color of your choice. I have made more swirls by using the same process. Now I will attach one by one. You have to put so many glues so that this will attach nicely. Attaching the cracker on the swirl, now we will decorate the greeting cards by using some half cutted pearls, and I will paste it like this. Like on the middle I will paste some half cutted pearls. Now I will use an extra item that's a decorative stone. It is in red color. You can use any other color. our first greeting card is complete. Now we will begin on our second greeting card. Now is for our second card. For this I have made 18 to 8 centimeter square and I have marked 0.5 centimeter each. You can use by marking or you can use by your own. It's up to depend on you. So now I will fold the paper like this. After folding the paper, now I will bend it like this and paste some glue on it so it will become stable. Now I will put some glue on the edge so that it becomes stable. Our paper diya was ready. Now I will make some flames. So for flames I will use 5 mm yellow quilling strip. Now I will roll it in a circle. Make a loose coil of strip, then join the edge so it will remain there. Now we'll make a teardrop shape. We'll paste the diyas on the paper by using glue and the flame on it. Now our second greeting card was ready. Now we will move on our third greeting card. So let's begin. Our third greeting card, I have already cut it 4 strips of foam of different color to make candles. Now I will paste it according to their height. Flames I will use 5 mm yellow color quilling strip You can use any other of quilling strip. Now I will roll it and make a loose coil, then I will make it in a teardrop shape. I have made 4 flames according to their size. Now I will paste it on the paper by using glue. Time to decorate our greeting cards. For this, I will use half carded pearls to decorate like this. You can use any other option, but I will decorate like this. Fully cover the part of the 4 candles by using half cutted pearls. Let's begin with our last greeting cards. Now we will cut the middle part. I have used a bangle to get the perfect shape. You can use any other thing. For the diyas, I will join 4 strips of brown 5mm quilling strip and make a tight coil of it. Then I will fold it in a diya shape so that it look like diya. And for the flames, I will use 2 color, 2 yellow 5mm quilling strip and 1 orange quilling strip. The orange one will be the middle part of the flame. After making the loose coil, we will fold it in a teardrop shape so it look like flame. Part was placing the things on the card. First, I will place the diya by applying some glue. Then I will paste the flame on it. For our last greeting card, I will decorate it with some half-cutted pearls. I will use both shapes. I will paste it on the side of the circle so it looks like a classic greeting card. You can use any other thing, or you can decorate it by using marker or by using some glitter pen. It's up to your choice. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Parna's Creation and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my video. You like my video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.